Working with square roots. All of these numbers can be written with a square. Since the square is the inverse of the square root, they undo each other. The square root of 144 equals the square root of 12 squared, and those undo each other and leave you with 12. Same with 400. The square root of 400 is the same thing as the square root of 20 squared, which is 20. And the square root of 90,000 can be rewritten as the square root of 300 squared, and the square and the square root undo each other, leaving you with 300. Let's try a few. The square root of 4 can be rewritten as the square root of 2 squared, and this cancels out with the 2, leaving us with 2. The square root of 121 can be rewritten as the square root of 11 squared. The square root and the square cancel, leaving us with 11. The square root of 0 is just 0, because we have the square root of 0 squared. Those cancel, leaving us with 0. The square root of 1 can be rewritten as the square root of 1 squared. This cancels with that, leaving us with 1. The square root of 36 can be rewritten as 6 squared. The square root and the square cancel, leaving us with 6. And here, this can be rewritten as negative 9 squared. The negative sign has to be rewritten as an I out front, leaving us with I square root of 9 squared, and then the square root and the squared cancel, leaving us with 9i. And here are all the answers.